When I first moved to Hua Hin, I didn't know that there are three amazing national parks around, and I'm going to share with you guys in this video. The first one is Kangkachan National Park. It's very famous for Thai local here. It's about 1 hour drive from Hua Hin. You have lots of activities to do: water rafting, hiking, trail cycling, and they have a very beautiful waterfall there. I like it. Second one is Sambayot National Park. There are 6 spots that you can check out. Honestly, it's one of my favorite. I love the Lotus Lake because there are different types of birds that I can learn and explore. And of course, Payanakhon Cave is so famous for everybody. Last but not least is Guiburi National Park, which is about 1 hour and a half drive from Hua Hin. It's a very nice place to see wild animals and huge elephants. I love it. Oh my god.